How to transfer tokens from Metamask to Cypherock X1 Hardware Wallet. Before starting, make sure that your Cypherock X1 Vault is connected to your laptop. Step 1. Open the Metamask wallet from the extensions of your browser. After you have entered the password, you will see something like this. Let's transfer some USDT from this wallet onto a wallet in the Cypherock X1 Hardware Wallet. In the Cypherock app, make sure you have an Ethereum account set up. If you don't have that, then go to Add Account and select Ethereum, and follow the on-screen instructions to add the account. Since we already have an account set up, we can go ahead. Step 2. Generating the receiver address for the wallet. Since we are transferring USDT, click on the Receive on Tether account. You will see a prompt on the device. Select the checkmark option. Enter the PIN if you have set up one. Fetch and tap any one of the 4 X1 cards onto the device. Now we will match the receiver address shown on the Cypherock app with the one shown on the device. As you can see, the receiver address has been generated. Copy the address and we will switch back to Metamask to execute the transaction. Step 3. Executing the transaction. Paste the wallet address here and we will change the asset to USDT. Enter the amount and make sure that you have enough ETH in your wallet to pay for the gas fees. Click on Next. This is the gas fees which you have to pay to make this transaction. Review everything once again, and once you are done, click Confirm. You are done. Let's wait for the transaction status, and that's it. The transfer was successful. Let's check the Cypherock app for the funds. We will resync the Cypherock app with the blockchain and then wait. As you can see, we have received the tokens. So this is how you can transfer tokens from Metamask to the Cypherock X1 Hardware Wallet. You can buy the Cypherock X1, the world's first hardware wallet, with no seed phrase backup from our website, www.cypherock.com. Embrace true self-custody.